Hi everyone, I hope you are fine. In today's video I will show you how to create a QR code in Microsoft Word, Excel Access and PowerPoint. I am going to create it in Microsoft Word. Go to Insert and click Store. Before doing it, make sure that you are connected to Internet. Now here just type QR and click Search. Scroll down and add QR for Office. Here enter the URL of the page you want to encode. I will enter the URL of my YouTube channel. You can also adjust its size, color, and background here. When it's done, just click Insert. As you can see that the QR code is inserted, and you can cut or copy it from here to page you want. Now let's check if it is working or not. I will use my mobile for scanning it. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see me cover any other topic on this channel, leave a comment below. See you in next video, bye.